Hello students, welcome again. So we are still continuing GT past year questions and QA session number 6, top 100 MCQs. So we finished till question number 40. We'll begin with question number 41. In a geometric progression, if the product of the first three terms is 27 by 8, then its second term is. So see, in GP, you have a first term and you have a common ratio. So you can suppose the terms this way also. Let's say first term is A, second term is AR, third term would be TR square. The nth term of a geometric progression is AR to the power n minus 1. Another way of supposing the terms would be, if you are supposing three terms, then A by R, the common ratio is R. Then A, you just keep on multiplying every term with R. This will be AR. Both ways you can do. The product of first three terms, you can suppose first three terms like this or this. In this case, the product will be multiplying all these three terms, which will be A cube, R cube. This is 27 by 8, and the second term is AR. You have to rewrite this as AR whole cube, and this is 3 by 2 whole cube. So the second term AR will be 3 by 2. This is one way. And if you suppose the three terms like this, then the second term is A, right? And this will be a better way. Why I am saying so? Product of these three terms will be A by R into A into AR. So you just cancel out R, you get A cube, and product is given as 27 by 8, which is 3 by 2 whole cube. So A cube is 3 by 2 whole cube, which means A is equal to 3 by 2, which means A is equal to 3 by 2. First option is the correct answer, the second term. So both ways you can do. Question number 42. A sum of 5100 is divided amongst A, B, and C such that the ratio of shares of A is to B. Ratio of shares of A is to B is 1:2, and ratio and that of B and C is 3:4. So we have to combine these two ratios. The shortcut way would be 1:2 is A to B, 3:4 is B to C. So first multiply this 1 into 3, then multiply this 3 into 2 is 6, then multiply this 4 into 2 is 8. This is one way, or the school method in which we create the common term as equal. The common term is B, so we'll multiply this by 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, and we'll multiply this by 2, so that the term B becomes 6. So this becomes 3:6, this becomes 6:8. So finally A is to B is to C is 3:6:8. So both ways I have done. So these are the shares of all these three. Total sum is 5100. Total parts are 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 parts are equivalent to 5100. One part is equivalent to 5100 by 17, which is 300. 17 is a 51. We need to find the sum of shares of A and B, and sum of shares of A and B is A plus B, 3 plus 6. 9 parts will be equal to 9 into 300, which is 2700. This is the right answer, fourth option. Clear? Good question, but you have to obviously do it fast, as there is very less fraction of students who scored 100 percentile in general test, right? Very less fraction. Now question number 43. On dividing a number by 38, let's say the number is n, divisor is d, quotient is q, remainder is r. So n can be written as dq plus r. Now dividing a number by 38, we get 90 as quotient and 19 as remainder. The number will be 38 into 90 plus 90. This is one way, direct way. It's a very easy question. कोई ज़्यादा इतना सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. What is the number? Or you can start with the option. Pick up the first option. Divided by 38. See, what is the quotient and what is the remainder, you'll be able to find the answer. Or 38 into 90. So this is 0, 9 8 is 72, 9 3 is 27 plus 7 is 34, 3420 plus 19 remainder. You get 3439. First option incidentally is the correct answer, 3439. Clear? Easy question. Question number 44. X and Y vary inversely to each other. So X varies inversely to Y, which means we can write xy as k, where k is a constant of proportionality, right? And x is 7, y is 12. So what will be k? K will be 12 sevens are 84. Find y when x is 21. This is the relation. Find y. So y is k by x. K we have found as 84. 12 sevens are 84, right? Yes, 12 sevens are 84. K is 84. We need to find y when x is 21. So x is 21. 21 into 4 is 84. This is the correct answer. This is one way. Another way is a logical chain rule method. So let me put x over here. X is 7, y is 12. When x becomes 21, what will be y? So x becomes 3 times, y will be 1/3, which is 4. You can do directly this way also. X becomes 3 times, because it's inversely the proportion, the ratio. So x is 3 times, y will become 1/3. Or what you need to find? You need to find y. Just write that 12. If x becomes 7 to 21, x is increasing, so it will create a decrease in y, because they are inversely related, right? So if x is increasing, y will decrease. So what will be the impact on 12 over here? We have to decrease it. Decrease it means we have to write the smaller number 7 in the numerator and bigger number 21 in the denominator. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 3 4. The answer is 4. So many ways of solving this question. Obviously the answer is 4. Second option is the correct answer. 45. An ice cream is in the form of a cone. Okay, there is a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. So surmounted by a hemisphere. If the base radius of the cone is 3.5 centimeter, so this radius is 3.5, which means this part will also be equal to 3.5, being the radius of the hemisphere as well. Height of the ice cream is 10 centimeters. So height from bottom 10 centimeters. So this is part is 3.5. This height of the cone will be 10 minus 3.5, which is 6.5. We need to find the volume of the ice cream in centimeter cube. So volume of the ice cream will be the volume of the cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus volume of the hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So let me take 1 by 3 common, pi common, r square common. I'll get h in the bracket, plus 1 is common, 2, 3 is common, pi r square 2r. This is my answer, right? By putting the values, I'll get the answer. This is the final, relation. Okay, 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r square, r is 3.5, 3.5 r square to h plus 2r. H is 6.5 plus 2r, 2 into 3.5, which is 7. Okay, let's try to solve it. 7 into 0.5. Now 0.5 is half. Half into 22 is 11. So I get 11 into 3.5 into 13.5, denominator 3, sorry. I have 3 in the denominator. This is the denominator. 3 4s are 12, 3 5, 4.5. So my final answer is 11 into 3.5 into 4.5. Let me multiply by 35 and 45. You get 25, 75, 35 into 4 is 140. You get 5, 7, then you get 5, then you get 1. So 1575, and there are 2 decimal points. So 15.75 into 11. Yeah, let me multiply this by 11 first. Let me multiply this by 11 first. So it's 1575. So it's 5, 2, and then I get 3, 7, 1, 17325, and 2 decimal points. So finally 173.25. This is my answer. 173.25. Third option is the correct answer. Good question. Little bit of little bit of calculation. Yes, you have to be very cautious while multiplying. Okay. There are shortcut methods also. Multiply numbers by 11. We can do that way also. What do you need to do once you have found this? 1575. So 1575 into 11, it will be 5, then 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry over, 7 plus 5, 12, plus 1, 13, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and finally 17325, and 2 decimal points, 173.25. Third option is the correct answer. Good question. Little bit of calculation, of course. All these are actual questions of past year CUT, GT. The cost of 5 kg of apples, let's say 1 kg of apples cost X. So 5 kg of apples, 3 kg of oranges cost 535. Cost of 8 kg of apples, 6 kg of oranges is 910. We need to find 2 kg of apples and 8 kg of oranges. So let me take 2 common from this. This is 4x plus 3y is equal to 910. 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. This will be 455. Right, 4x plus 3y is equal to 55. Now see, this is first equation, this is second equation. I need to find 2 kg of apples and 8 kg of oranges. Let me subtract 1 minus 2. So 5x minus 4x is x, 3y gets cancelled, 0y, and 535 minus 455, 45 plus 35, which will be 80. So x is 80. So cost of 1 kg of apple, cost of 1 kg of apple is 80. Orange, if I'll multiply this 5x, 5 into it is 400. So let me put the value of x in the first equation. 5 into 80. 400, 535 minus 400 is 135. 3y is equal to 135 or y is equal to 45. X is this. 2 kg of apples, 2 into 80, 160. 8 kg of oranges, 8 into 45, 8 kg of oranges, which means 8 into 40 will be 320. 8 5s are 40. 320 plus 40 is 360. 360 plus 60 is 420. 520. Third option is the correct answer. Easy question. Yes, easy question. Just little bit of calculation, nothing else. Chaliye, question number 47. Find the area in centimeter square of the figure ABCDEF and all its sides are perpendicular to the sides. So one way is joining these 2 points. These. Let me draw. This is a point. Let me draw a perpendicular from E on AB and from E on BC. So this total is 2. This part will be 4.5 minus 2, 2.5. This complete is 9. This is 5. This will be 4. So, and this will be 5. So 4, 2. This complete will be 9 into 2. I don't need to break this. 9 into 2, 18. And this is 4.5 into 2.5. 4.5 into 2.5. Right? This is complete 9. 9 into 2 is 18. And this will be, no, this will be 5. Sorry, this is 5. 5 and 2.5. Let us try to do again. If I draw a perpendicular from E on AB and from E on BC, so this complete is 4.5. So this becomes 4.5 minus 2, 2.5. This complete is 9. This is 5. Right? So we need to find the area of this entire rectangle plus area of this rectangle. So 9 into 2, 18, and 5 into 2.5. 5 into 2.5, which is 12.5, which is 30.5 is the correct answer. This is one way, 30.5. Yes. I would give another way also, which would be a better way. This is adding these two, though it's a very easy question, no need to, इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Still, let's have another way. मैं क्या करता हूं, यहां से ये ज्वाइन कर देता हूं. अब ये कंप्लीट 9 है और ये 4.5, तो एक रेक्टेंगल है जिसका लेंथ है 9 और ब्रेड्थ है 4.5, तो पूरा हमने एरिया फाइंड कर लिया. इसमें से ये माइनस कर देंगे. अब ये कितना है, ये है 9 में से 5 माइनस किया 4, और ये कितना है, ये 4.5 में से 2 माइनस किया तो 2.5, तो इसका एरिया आ जाएगा 4 इंटू 2.5 विच इज 10. तो इसमें से 10 माइनस कर देंगे. सो 9 इंटू 4.5, 9 इंटू 4.5 को हम कैलकुलेट करने का तरीका ये भी है. 4.5 को लिख लिया 9/2, 81/2. 4.5 को क्या लिखा, 9/2, 81/2. 81/2 इज इजी टू सॉल्व. 40.5, 40.5 से 10 माइनस किया, 40.5 में से 10 माइनस किया. माय आंसर इज थर्ड ऑप्शन. यस, दिस इज अनदर वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग. मैं दो तरीके बताए हैं आपको, ठीक है, दोनों तरीके से देख लेना, जो भी आपको आसान लगे वो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. राइट, 40.5 माइनस 10 विच इज 30.5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48, बहुत बढ़िया. मीन स्टैटिस्टिक्स का क्वेश्चन आ गया. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, तो मीन x बार, अगर ये x है, ये फ्रीक्वेंसी f है, तो x बार इज समेशन fx डिवाइड बाय समेशन f. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. सो fx यहां पर तीसरे कॉलम में लिखते हैं, तीसरे रो में f into x. 5 2s are 10, 6 1s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, then 9 2s are 18. समेशन f यहां लिखते हैं, समेशन fx यहां लिखते हैं. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 16 32, 32 plus 18 is 50, 50 plus 21 is 71. So my answer is 71/10, which is 7.1. बहुत easy question. Third option is the correct answer. फटाफट हम करते हैं और क्वेश्चंस को फटाफट खत्म करते हैं, टेस्ट आने वाला है. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. P sold an item for 70 rupees, so selling price is 70 rupees. Profit percentage is 100% on this. What should be the selling price? New selling price find करना है, so that profit percentage 150% हो जाए. तो मोस्ट कॉमन एरर क्या होगा कि 100% प्रॉफिट है तो सेलिंग प्राइस 70, तो 150% है तो सेलिंग प्राइस का 50% बढ़ा दो. सेलिंग प्राइस का 50% यानी कि हाफ. सेलिंग प्राइस का 50% होता है हाफ. सेलिंग प्राइस का हाफ बढ़ा दो, 105. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 105 है, बट ऑब्वियसली ये गलत आंसर है. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज या लॉस परसेंटेज हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस पे होता है. तो एक तरीका है, सेलिंग प्राइस अगर 70 है, इससे पहले कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस में 100% प्रॉफिट, so 1 plus 100% of cost price, 1 plus P by 100. This is 70. This becomes 2 into CP is 70 और CP is 35. कॉस्ट प्राइस 35 है. अब मुझे प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज चाहिए 150%. इसका 150% प्रॉफिट चाहिए. 35 का 150%, so which means 1.5. so 35 into 1.5, 35 into 1.5, this will be 35 plus 17.5. मतलब ब्रैकेट में मैं इस तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. 35 1 plus 0.5, so 35 into 1 is 35, 35 का फिर हाफ 17.5, this become 52.5. so 52.5 प्रॉफिट है और 35 हमारा क्या है, कॉस्ट प्राइस. so कॉस्ट प्राइस में 150% उसका ऐड करके 35, तो नया सेलिंग प्राइस हो जाएगा 87.5. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ध्यान रहे, गलती हो सकती है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. इसका एक और तरीका भी बताता हूं मैं आपको, ठीक है. परसेंटेज अगर बेसिक्स क्लियर हैं तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगा. बताता हूं आपको. सो इफ x is increased by 100%, new x will be 2x. If x is increased by 150%, new x will be 2.5x. 2x is given as 70. 2.5x will be, ये आप कर सकते हो, तो 70/2 into 2.5, 35 into 2.5, ये डायरेक्टली आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, which is 87.5. This will be the correct answer. ऐसे करो इसको, ठीक है। फिर देखो, x को 100% से इंक्रीज किया, अगर ये पहली बार देख रहे हो, 1 + 100% ऑफ x इंक्रीज किया ना, तो ये हो गया 1, तो 2x बन गया, तो 2x is 70. अब x को अगर 150% से, x हमने कॉस्ट प्राइस माना है, x हमने कॉस्ट प्राइस माना है, उसको 100% से इंक्रीज किया तो 2x, 150% से इंक्रीज किया तो 2.5x, ऐसे x plus 150/100 which is 2.5x, तो ये 1.5 हो जाता है, 1.5 + 1 2.5x, तो 2x is 70, 2.5x will be what? Cross multiply, तो 70 divide by 2 into 2.5, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 2x से डिवाइड किया और 2.5x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, मेरा आंसर आ गया 35 into 2.5, 35 into 2, 35 का डबल करो, और उसमें 0.5 का मतलब होता है हाफ, तो हाफ ऐड कर दो, 35 का डबल होगा 70, 35 का हाफ हो गया 17.5, 35 का हाफ 35, 34 + 1 is 35, इसका हाफ 17.5, तो 35 का डबल 70, हाफ 17.5, मेंटली करना है, 87.5 will be the correct answer, third option. Moving on to question number 50 and the last question for this session. If 30 ml solution of 20% solution, 20% alcohol, एक आपके पास 30 ml solution है, उसमें अल्कोहल कितना है 20%, which means 1/5, 20% होता है 1/5, तो अल्कोहल कितना हो गया 6, is mixed with 20 ml solution, 20 ml solution है, उसमें अल्कोहल कितना है 25%, which is 1/4, इसमें अल्कोहल कितना हो गया 20 का 1/4 which is 5, टोटल अल्कोहल कितना है 11, then what is the strength of alcohol in the mixture, टोटल क्वांटिटी कितनी होगी 30 + 20 50, तो अल्कोहल होगा 11, टोटल क्वांटिटी 50, 11 50 का कितना परसेंटेज होता है, 22% होता है, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, दिस इज वन वे, अनदर वे इज एलिगेशन, अगर आपने सीखा हुआ है तो उससे भी कर सकते हो, सो वी हैव 30 ml solution 20% alcohol, 20 ml solution 25% alcohol, 25%, रिजल्टेंट चाहिए, डिफरेंस देखो m - 20 25 - m, so this ratio will be 3:2, so you get 25 minus m divided by m minus 20, this is 3/2, cross multiply, 2 इधर आएगा, ये इधर चले जाएगा, 25 into 2 is 50 minus 2m, 3m minus 60, 3m plus 2m is 5m, 50 plus 60 is 110, m is 110 divided by 5 which is 22, yes 22%, third option is the correct answer. बढ़ते रहिए, कैसे बढ़ोगे, पढ़कर, तो पढ़ते रहिए बढ़ते रहिए, कीप ऑन स्टडिंग, कीप ऑन मूविंग, थैंक यू, टिल द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय बाय, गॉड ब्लेस.